Hi there, Tony at STARLINE Windows. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to properly measure a screen for your horizontal sliding window. Now it's real easy math here. What we're going to do is we're going to add 1/8 of an inch to the width of the screen, and we're going to deduct 1/8 of an inch from the height of the screen. Now the reason why we're adding 1/8 of an inch to the horizontal screen is because these tension springs are actually going to compress into a channel which goes in there, and then with that tension it's going to hold your screen in. So basically, real simple. Again, we're going to add 1/8 to the width of the screen and deduct 1/8 from the height. So the width of the screen first, always do width times height. The clear opening here is 21.5, so we're going to make that screen now 21 5/8. And the clear opening of this vent here would be 57. Again, we're going to deduct now 1/8 of an inch, and that would make it 56 7/8. And that's how you properly measure for a screen for a horizontal sliding window. For any more frequently asked questions, check us out on our YouTube channel. If you'd like to contact us through our website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, we would love to hear from you, and I hope this was a help.